Spectrum Mobile allows you to use your phone in over 210 countries worldwide. This extensive coverage makes it convenient for international travel. To use roaming, it must be enabled in your phone's settings. Simply toggle the data roaming option to allow your phone to connect to international networks. Ideally, enable roaming through the Spectrum Mobile app for better control. The app helps monitor your usage in real time, preventing unexpected charges during travel. Without a day pass, international data is very expensive at 99 cents per MB. This can quickly add up when streaming or browsing online. Make sure you have an unlocked phone that uses Verizon-compatible bands like GSM in Europe. This ensures proper connectivity in international destinations. Spectrum Mobile's International Day Pass costs $10.99 per day. It provides unlimited high-speed data up to 15 gigabytes, after which speeds are throttled to 2G. Outgoing calls are $0.99 per minute, incoming calls are free, and texts are 25 each. Charges appear on your next bill, with potential international taxes. This day pass saw a 25% increase in adoption in 2024-2025. The pass auto-renews, and you can monitor usage in real time to avoid any surprise bills.